DigitalBix fashions. Here is the list of 5 best Amazon kurtis below 500 rupees in 2022. Number 1. High Low Amazon Kurta. This pink and blue Amazon ladies kurta has a unique cut with a longer back hem and short front length, giving it a very stylish appeal. Number 2. Printed Amazon Kurta. This Amazon kurta design is so quirky along with the vibrant color and summery pattern that it brings out the best you. Number 3. Quirky White Amazon Kurta. The floral design on the top gives it a trendy vibe while the solid white on the other half makes it look elegant. This cotton kurta is apt for any casual day with friends or family. Number 4. Dark Floral Print Amazon Kurta. This Amazon black kurta gives a vivacious look with its flowery pattern on the half, while its solid black color on the other half gives it a beautiful unique appearance. Number 5. Digital Print Amazon Kurta. This semi-round neck digital print kurta can be your party fix this season with its elegant black color. Pair it up with leggings or simple black palazzo with a pair of pumps. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel DigitalBix Fashions.